Hello class, this is Dr. Selby here, and I want to go through a change in concentration example problem. And to get further information or background about this problem, please review section 6.3 of your textbook. I also posted that in the announcements. So in this problem, we have a 650 milliliter volume of a 0.75 molar sodium chloride solution. Over time, we're going to let it sit and some of the water is going to evaporate out of that solution, and we're going to be left with only 325 milliliters. So what does this look like? We have initial condition and a final condition. And we have the same amount of dissolved particles. So those don't change. Same amount of dissolved particles, but initially we have a greater total volume, and then final we have a less volume. So what's happening is this solution over time, after evaporation of water, is going to concentrate. So how do we solve this problem? How do we find out what the molarity of the solution will be? And in 6.3 of your textbook, they give you this equation that says concentration 1 times volume 1 equals concentration 2 times volume 2. And what we're given here is we're given the initial concentration, 0.75 molar, and we're given the initial volume, 655 milliliters. And then we're given the final volume of 325 milliliters. What we're looking for is concentration 2. And we're looking for that concentration in molarity, in units of molarity. So all we need to do is to isolate what we need, which is C2. So to do that, I'm going to divide both sides of this equation by V2. And what we end up with is, see, these cancel. So we have C2 equals C1 times V1 divided by V2. So now we just plug in our variables, and we have, sorry about that, and we have concentration 1 was 0.75 molar. That's there. And our volume 1 is 655 milliliters. And then we're going to divide by our volume 2, which is 325 milliliters. We're just going to, milliliters, sorry. And then we're just going to check our units. We see that our units milliliters cancel, and we're left with a molarity, which is a concentration, which is what we wanted. And we punch that into our calculators, and this equals, C2 equals 1.5115 unit molarity. Now, if you're going by significant figures, we would round this into 2 significant figures. So it would be C2 equals 1.5 molar. But in your homework and quiz problems, pay attention to where they want you to round to. That's it for this short example problem. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you and have a great day.